Welcome back to Cozy English Conversations. Today, let's talk about something we all experience every day: speed.
Speed. You mean how everything is getting faster?
Exactly. We can travel faster, work faster, send messages faster, and even get food delivered faster.
Sounds great. If everything is faster, we should have more free time, right?
That's what I thought too, but somehow we still feel busy all the time.
Maybe the problem isn't that we don't have enough time.
Then what is the problem?
Maybe we have learned to use every extra minute.
That makes sense. If a journey used to take 45 minutes, we had 45 minutes to just sit there.
But now, if the journey takes 10 minutes, we might use the other 35 minutes to answer emails, check messages, or do more work.
So we saved time, but we didn't really get the time back.
Exactly. We gave it another job.
That's actually a little sad.
It is. And there's another thing. When we become faster, people start expecting more from us.
Right. If I can finish 10 tasks today, tomorrow people may expect me to finish 12.
And eventually, being efficient doesn't make life easier, it just makes us capable of doing more.
Which means we keep running.
Yes, faster and faster.
But where are we running to?
That's the interesting question.
Maybe we don't always need to be faster. Maybe sometimes we need to slow down.
Slow down? In today's world?
Yes, not because we're lazy, because we're human.
I like that. Rest isn't wasted time.
It's part of the journey.
So maybe the goal isn't to save every minute.
Maybe the goal is to use our minutes wisely.
And sometimes, using time wisely means doing absolutely nothing.
Before we go, here's a question for you.
If technology gave you 1 extra hour every day, what would you do with it?
Would you work more?
Or would you finally slow down and enjoy your life?